So you have a Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 and you have an issue where the screen is frozen or unresponsive and you can't swipe and you can't even restart it. You're trying to press and hold and this power off menu doesn't even appear. Simply what you can do is you can force it to restart. So let's pretend my screen here, let's pretend it's just frozen, okay? So we're going to force restart it. It's a 2-key combination. What you want to do is press and hold the power button and the volume down. You want to press and hold both buttons. Do not let go until you see the Samsung logo appear. Then you can let go. We'll do it together. Ready? Power button, volume down. 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go. Don't worry about what's happening to the screen. Just keep holding on both of those buttons. Keep on holding, waiting for that Samsung logo to appear. Then you can let go of both the buttons. Still holding. There it is, Samsung logo. Go ahead and let go, and you just force it to restart. And hopefully, you now have a working A7. It's not frozen or unresponsive. Okay. Any questions or issues? Just go ahead and comment below. All right. Good luck, guys.